Hello everyone, this is Krishna Chaudhary and welcome to you in this SQL Server tutorial. So in this tutorial we will learn how to delete or drop database in SQL Server. So let's start. Okay, so I just gave you a syntax for deleting the database. Okay, so we will drop database. Here we give the database name. Okay, so this is our syntax for deleting a database. So I just want to delete my database, this database, my third database. Okay, so drop database, my third database. Okay, and I select it and just execute it and see what happened. Okay, so commands complete successfully, and as we see it is not deleted from here. For that we have to just refresh it, so we can see that that database has been deleted. Okay, and our second approach is to delete a database. Just right click on the database and delete from the graphic user interface and click here delete button and it will delete. Okay, let's see if we execute this query again and what will happen. Okay, I just execute and we see that cannot drop the database, my third database, because it does not exist or you do not have permission. Okay, so the basic problem, our problem is it does not exist, because in our database it is not exist, we already deleted. So I show you this because when we work in our last team, so in that team if someone delete a database and you want to delete that database again, so this will show a say the better approach is check whether the database name exists or not, because sometime your team leader or other user may delete the database which you are trying to delete. So let's see, like if exist in this, if exist, this exist will return true value. If our condition is true, then it will return a true boolean value or a false value if our condition is false. Okay, so here I just select name, I just select the name of the database from master database, sorry, master dot dbo dot sys system database. Okay, where, where name is equal to, so I want to search this my second database, Okay, so this is my condition in master database. In this table, this database present or not, because in master database which hold all the information of all the existing data in our instance in SQL Server, so it will be present in there. And if this exists return true value, then it will execute one query, drop drop database, sorry, and this database. Okay, so I just check. So it's successfully done, and I refresh it and see that is removed. Okay, I again execute it and check whether what will happen. Okay, so it is not giving any error because we use this condition, so our database is not present, but this query will not execute if it is false. So this so that our database is not present in this SQL Server instance. Okay, now